Innovative Kids channel.
Dear kids and parents, welcome to Innovative Kids channel. Join us for fun learning. Let's explore action verbs together with exciting examples and activities.
The first action verb is jump. Jump means to push yourself off the ground using your legs and go up into the air. Now, repeat after me. Jump.
Jump.
What are the three forms of the verb jump?
Jump, jumped, jumping.
Can you show me how to jump?
I push off the ground and go up into the air.
Now, give me some examples with sentences.
I jump high in the air. Yesterday, I jumped over a puddle. I am jumping on the trampoline right now.
The second action verb is run. Run means to move quickly using your legs. Now, repeat after me. Run.
Run.
What are the three forms of the verb run?
Run, ran, running.
Can you show me how to run?
I move quickly using my legs.
Now, give me some examples with sentences.
I run fast in the race. I ran to school yesterday. I am running around the yard.
The third action verb is eat. Eat means to put food into your mouth and chew it. Now, repeat after me. Eat.
Eat.
What are the three forms of the verb eat?
Eat, ate, eating.
Can you show me how to eat?
I put food in my mouth and chew it.
Now, give me some examples with sentences.
I eat a sandwich for lunch. I ate a banana this morning. I am eating dinner right now.
The fourth action verb is sing. Sing means to use your voice, make music. Now, repeat after me. Sing.
Sing.
What are the three forms of the verb sing?
Sing, sang, singing.
Can you show me how to sing?
I use my voice to make music.
Now, give me some examples with sentences.
I sing a happy song. I sang a song at school yesterday. I am singing with my friends now.
The fifth action verb is dance. Dance means to move your body to music. Now, repeat after me. Dance.
Dance.
What are the three forms of the verb dance?
Dance, danced, dancing.
Can you show me how to dance?
I move my body to the music.
Now give me some examples with sentences.
I dance to the music. Yesterday, I danced at a party. I am dancing with my friends now.
The sixth action verb is clap. Clap means to hit your hands together to make a sound. Now, repeat after me, clap.
Clap.
What are the three forms of the verb clap?
Clap, clapped, clapping.
Can you show me how to clap?
I hit my hands together to make a sound.
Now give me some examples with sentences.
I clap my hands for the music. I clapped at the end of the show. I am clapping for my friend now.
The seventh action verb is skip. Skip means to move by hopping on one foot and then the other. Now, repeat after me, skip.
Skip.
What are the three forms of the verb skip?
Skip, skipped, skipping.
Can you show me how to skip?
I hop on one foot and then the other.
Now give me some examples with sentences.
I skipped down the road. I skipped to the park yesterday. I am skipping with my friends. Thanks for watching. For watching more kids educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.